Welcome to this video on the ketogenic diet. In this video, we will explore the ketogenic diet, its benefits, how to get started and what to expect. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years for its ability to help people lose weight and improve their overall health. Let's get started. Section 1. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a diet that focuses on reducing carbohydrates and increasing the intake of healthy fats. By limiting carbohydrates, the body is forced to use fat as its primary source of energy, leading to a state of ketosis. This means that the body is burning fat for fuel instead of glucose, which is the main source of energy in a typical Western diet. Section 2. Benefits of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet has been shown to have numerous benefits, including weight loss. By reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat intake, the body is able to burn fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Improved blood sugar control. The ketogenic diet has been shown to improve blood sugar control, making it a great option for people with type 2 diabetes. Improved brain function. The ketogenic diet has been shown to improve cognitive function, memory and concentration. Reduced inflammation. The ketogenic diet has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to a variety of chronic diseases. Section 3. Getting started on the ketogenic diet. Before starting the ketogenic diet, it's important to speak with your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure that it's safe for you. Once you've received the green light, there are a few key steps to getting started. Calculate your macros. The first step is to calculate your macronutrient intake, which will help you determine how many grams of carbohydrates, protein and fat you should be eating each day. Plan your meals. Once you know how many grams of each macronutrient you should be eating, you can start planning your meals. It's important to focus on healthy fats like avocados, nuts and seeds, and to limit your carbohydrate intake to around 20 to 30 grams per day. Stay hydrated. When you're following the ketogenic diet, it's important to stay hydrated, as your body will be excreting more water than usual. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Monitor your ketone levels. To ensure that you're in a state of ketosis, you can monitor your ketone levels using a blood ketone meter or urine ketone strips. Section 4. What to expect on the ketogenic diet. When you first start the ketogenic diet, you may experience some side effects, including the keto flu. This is a collection of symptoms that some people experience when they first start the ketogenic diet. Symptoms can include fatigue, headaches, nausea, and brain fog. This is temporary and usually subsides within a few days to a week. Changes in digestion. You may experience changes in your bowel movements when you first start the ketogenic diet, as your body adjusts to the new way of eating. Increase thirst. As mentioned earlier, it's important to stay hydrated when following the ketogenic diet. You may find yourself feeling thirstier than usual, as your body excretes more water than usual. Improved energy. Once your body is in a state of ketosis, many people report feeling more energetic and focused. Weight loss. As your body burns fat for fuel, you may experience weight loss, especially in the first few weeks of starting the diet. Conclusion. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can help improve weight loss, blood sugar control, brain function, and reduce inflammation. Before starting the diet, it's important to speak with your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure that it's safe for you. Once you've received the green light, focus on calculating your macros, planning your meals, staying hydrated, and monitoring your ketone levels. While you may experience some side effects at first, like the keto flu, you can expect improved energy and potential weight loss once your body adjusts to the new way of eating. Thank you for watching.